So in part B, we're told the administrator of the elementary school concluded that the elementary school students sold more small bottles than the middle school students did. We need to determine whether this administrator is correct. Well, the answer is no. So the elementary school did indeed sell a larger proportion of their bottles. They sold 50%, whereas the middle school only sold 33.3%. However, what we need to note is that the middle school sold 3 times as many bottles, right? School sold 3 times as many. So what that's going to mean here is like, well, we can make some imaginary numbers here, but from here it should already be pretty obvious that, well, since, like, yes, the proportion is smaller, but the proportion is from a larger sample. So if the elementary school sold some number of bottles, the middle school sold 3 times as many bottles. So for example, if the elementary students sold 100 bottles, that would lead to 50 small bottles sold. And then we know that the middle school will have sold 3 times as many bottles. What that means is that they have sold 300 bottles, and only 33.3% of this was sold. So approximately we can say that's going to be 100. So we can clearly see that even though the percentage is smaller for the middle school, they will have sold more bottles.